right, so we've had a couple days of labs so far, not quite done, still a little more to go. But Ron, I'm going to have you introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about how many labs have been going on here and what's been popular.
Sure thing. Thanks, Peter. So part of what we've been doing as with the hands-on lab area is we've over the last 4 days scaled to about 10,000 labs delivered so far. About 7 petabytes of storage has been delivered. And part of what we do is we actually walk customers through hands-on lab tours, showing them some of the stats and the analytics and the different things that are going on and how much, how many of these virtual machines, labs are being delivered to the community. So it's been a pretty cool experience for a lot of our customers. They get to see, a lot of our product at work in showing some of those stats and the things that, we're delivering to them. So,
excellent.
Thanks, Peter.
All right, thanks. And so we've got the Canadian team here. We've also had a lot of Canadian customers coming to talk to us here at VMworld as well. So, Marino, I'm going to have you come up and talk a little bit about what some of our Canadian customers found interesting.
So, hey, thanks, Pete. I'm Marino. So what I noticed is when I was walking customers to their seats, a lot of them, specifically the ones from Canada, were interested to know about VMware Cloud services as well as network and security capabilities. I also noticed that a lot of them were looking for DR or even stories around end user computing or even HCI. So it looks like we have an opportunity to really see customers solve great technical problems as well as business challenges.
That is fantastic. So I'm going to introduce you to a few of the other Team Canada members here who've been working on it. So Dev, you want to come up and tell us who you are and what you've been doing here?
Hi, my name is Dev Sharma. I'm the staff SCE for the NSX business unit. And this is my 4th year as a lab captain. I've been developing labs for the last 4 years. This year I developed the NSX T and PAS lab, which is Pivotal Application Services. Everybody's kind of getting into the containers, so I thought that was my way to force myself to learn it. The other part is when you build the lab, it's does twofold things. One is for the field, they can go and use it for demo purposes to the customers, and the other part is customer also kind of get the experience of the bleeding edge stuff which we are building here.
Excellent. Yeah, I love that these are for our technical community, built by our technical community, and it's a fantastic opportunity for everyone.